welcome back to our CSS class. In last class we talked about universal selector, while in this class we are going to talk about IDs. What is IDs? First of all, ID is a unique selector in a unique name given to an element. So we are going to look into ID and how it works. So first of all, to initiate your ID, you need to attach it to your element, depending on the element you want to give the ID. So this section, let's give it an ID name of section 1. So in ID, why it's called unique, any element that is having the same name, an element can make use of the name once in a project, in a file. So two elements can bear one ID name. So that's why it's called a unique name given to an element in CSS. So in this class, let's give this section 1. Then in our universal selector we did so far, let's remove the border we gave to it. Let's review. So now let's work with this ID. So how to initiate ID to your CSS? Start with hash. Whenever you include hash in your CSS, that means you want to make use of an ID. So let's copy the ID name and paste it over there, then start our style. Then what do we want to achieve with this div? We want to give it a border. First of all, border of 1 pixels, solid white. Let's see. So as you can see, our border is there. Then we want to give it a padding, so we have a lot of space inside it. Padding 30 pieces. Okay, so here is it. So then what next? What do we do again? Let's increase the height of this section. Then we give it a height of 70 VH. Okay, here's what we got. Then let's style our div. So this div, let's give it an ID of equals to div1. So in this div, let's initiate some stylings in it. Div1. Then we want to give a background color in that particular div. Let's give it a background color of which color? Okay, let's use black. I'm a fan of black color. Then so let's give it a padding of 10 pixels, so we have space inside it. Okay, here we are not seeing what we are doing. So in our universal selector, let's leave it. So let's toggle this h1. So there's another thing I want to show you. h1 is a child of this div. Div is the parent element, while this attribute that is inside here is the child. So I will teach you this one for free. So hence the h1 is a child of it. Let's style it using the ID of the parent element. So div 1. Then let's call the child name h1. Then we give it a color of white. Now we're making use of the parent's ID. So let's transform the text transform to uppercase. Then let's give it a height, font size of 30 pixels. Okay, let's tie our h2 using the same method. We use the div 1, then h2, then give it a color of white, then text transform, capitalize, then let's give it a font weight of 18 pixels, font size of 20 pixels. Okay, now we can't be starting everything once because of the longness of this video. So what we need to do now, let's go inside this parent div and give it a color of white. So every child inside this div will inherit the color of white. So this is a little demonstration of using IDs in our project.